too big. I knew it was.
All right.
Find that quarter inch that was
It's 8mm. And then here.
not a quarter is even too big.
All right.
That's about 1/8 inch. So
All right. That's there. There we go. It should be loose. Yeah, I forgot about that. Pop that off without breaking it. Give it a little bit of wiggle. All right. I was forgetting one. Probably should have cleaned it before I did this, but there we go.
You're gonna wear that thing out. Taking it on and off.
Oh, I know. It's been on a few times.
Yeah, it has. I'm surprised it hasn't broke somewhere. You know, you have to bend it to get it out.
Yeah, it's real thin. Real thin. It's like paper thin. Alright. See the black where we got blow by? Look at that.
damn cobalt built.
Shit. Alright, let's get our tools together. There we go. These are going to be fun to get off. I might have cut them off. That one. Alright. Yeah, I think you can tell I've done this before because I'm pretty sure I didn't put, I think that was the extra stud run I had there. Oh, let's get these too. Yeah, just soak them. Can't hurt, right? Oh man. Should have got some spark plugs while I was out. Could have done that too. Alright. Alright, that's looking pretty good. And the bottom one here. This is a 10mm. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Actually, I think I may have done that the first time I did it. Alright, see that one's broke. The one underneath it's broke. Alright, looks like it's too rear on this. Let's go ahead and bust these loose. 14 it is. Alright, movement, that's what I like. And I'll put NICs on this one, put it back together, just because I'm pretty sure I'll have to do this again. Alright, quick look at our bolts. I just had to make sure I had them with me before I started breaking everything loose. So oh sweet, it comes with my last set didn't come with those. Good. And our FEL-PRO gaskets. Awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4 studs. And that's perfect. Yeah, you're probably gonna be mad at me. I broke your little adapter.
Which one?
The 1/4 to 3/8.
Well, there's more in there.
I know. That was one out of your nice little crescent kit here.
Oh, you're an ass.
Sorry, Pops.
Here's a 10
That's
with a 3/8.
That's what I need. Let's try this one.
Twist my damn adapter, I tell you.
Oh, I didn't twist it. I snapped it some bitch in half.
Just can't have nothing.
Well, hell no.
What the hell?
That's what you get for raising a son. let's get this welder ready. Hot. I used a 3/8 nut. Alright, it was back together. Sorry, my battery died. I had to keep going, so I just kind of snugged everything down. Diagonal pattern, starting from the center. I'll put some anti-seize on these and our flange bolts. Heat shield back on. This side's good to go. I'm kind of running out of time after. I'm not sure if I'll have time to do the other side, but I'm gonna pull the wheel and fender liner and all that stuff out and kind of see what I'm looking at over there and check my time. But right now the super loud side is done, and we'll jump over to the other. All right, so I got the driver's side off. Looking in here, it's actually not the rear on this one, it's the front, and it's not too bad. You can see the little bit of black right there. It's this one here. So unfortunately I do not have enough time to tackle this side tonight. I gotta be home, watch the girls. The wife's got a thing she's got to do, so we'll get to this one another time, but hopefully the video will be enough to help you out. Later, guys.